Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add the IDM extension in Google Chrome. So if you can see just right here, I already downloaded Internet Download Manager. So the only thing that we need to do is add the extension on Google Chrome. So what we're gonna do now is go here to Google, and right now, if you can see, if we go to our extensions, manage extensions, you can see that the IDM is not standing just right here. So what we need to do now is go back, go to Google, and then search for IDM extension not working. Make sure that you find the correct site, the original website, and then click here on this link just right there. Now, you see a lot of information just right here, but the most important part for us is the link just right here. I will put this link in my description, but if you right now click here on this link, you see here that this extension is used by 90 million users. And right now, if you do add to Chrome, add extension, you see that we just added the extension to our Google Chrome. So right now, if I go to my Google Drive and click here on this video and I do download, you're scanning it for viruses, but download anyway. Close. Start download, you can see that IDM is downloading from our Google Chrome extension. And right now, if you open this file, you see that the extension is working exactly how we want it. So this is exactly how you can do this. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.